Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, so I asked you guys for some video feedback and some video suggestions here, so I'd say I'd give shoutouts to guys who gave me some suggestions. So guys, go check out all these channels right here, and yeah, thank you for commenting, and now let's get into the video. Okay guys, welcome to the video. It's just going to be a quick update video. I do one of these every once in a while, and I think it's good that I can let you guys know what's going on when it comes to the channel and video creation, for that matter. So just main summary of this video, it's going to be really quick. It's just that videos are going to be more widespread. I'm going to be making way more videos when summer comes. That's going to be around June-ish. May is a little hectic, so June is when I'm really going to start uploading a lot, guys. So I want you to be ready for that. Right now, as you may know, I'm not uploading that much just because I'm busy with schoolwork and stuff like that. But so when summer hits, guys, be expecting lots of uploads. I'm planning on uploading every other day. I feel like every other day is good just because it gives you a break in between videos, and usually I can make the quality slightly better when I have more time to upload. I was uploading every day last summer, and some videos just lacked quality, and I'm trying to improve quality overall. I also have Destiny gameplay in the background if you're wondering. Yeah, it's Destiny 2. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for some summer uploads. Gonna be grinding a ton. Gonna be doing a bunch of product reviews right now. Actually, if you want a quick update on videos right now, I got an action camera that I purchased to review, so I got that, and then I believe a company sending me a pair of Bluetooth headphones, which I will be reviewing, and then I also have a clip-on mic, like you see on like talk shows and stuff, clip-on mic to review also, so I got that. Yeah, I got a bunch of product reviews. I'm going to be thinking of some tutorials, because tutorials usually do well on the channel. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. I'll probably feature you, honestly, if you leave me some good suggestions like I did in the beginning of the video. So as an incentive to get shoutouts, guys, leave me video suggestions. I love hearing from you. I love hearing feedback. Also, second thing, just gonna be like quick advertisement for my Discord. If you guys want to join my Discord, I got a lot of people in there, a lot of people who are willing to share Xbox Live, as many of you are experiencing that issue. Game sharing, such like that for Xbox, because that's a main issue going on my channel, and I see comments like that all the time. So if you want to join the Discord, if you want to talk to me, chat with me, that's the easiest way. If you want to chat with other people, just join that. I got a bunch of people already in there who are willing to help you with tech tutorials or anything like that. Second thing, guys, go use my Fortnite supporter creator code, probably put up on screen right now. Maybe just show you, maybe put a quick clip of me showing you what to do. But yeah, guys, go use my code. That's one of the steps to get shoutouts and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Got big plans for the future. Hope you guys can stay tuned. So just be ready for some more awesome content in the future. Going to be trying to improve my content more. Going to try to be making better tutorials, better reviews. Got a new action camera, which is similar to a GoPro. Not a GoPro, it's a knockoff GoPro, but I'm going to be using that for some pretty cool footage, stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. Go join my Discord, go use my Fortnite supporter creator code, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.